Hey, I'm Pittsburghpat, and I'm here with, tell me your first name, if you wish.
I'll just go as the Gamsey Cosplayer.
Okay, Gamsey Cosplayer. Okay, and do you want to give me your age range if you feel
I'm
like
18.
it? All right, great.
I'm turning 19 soon.
So, how much money would actually change your life right now? Like your lifestyle? To get to like whatever the next level is, whatever that means to you.
Well, this is a basic answer, but probably $1 billion.
A billion? Okay, that's a lot.
I mean, then you just like could throw money everywhere. But honestly, what I would want to do is obviously try to give to people.
So what would you do? Like, what would the first thing you do? If somebody just said, here's $1 billion, what would the first thing you do?
Okay, first, I'd do something stupid like buy a $400 anime figure.
Okay.
And then
that's
I'd
legit.
actually be like, okay, I have to sit down, get all the things I need, and then give to my friends who I love so much.
Who's the anime figure? What's the one you had your eye on?
I have this like, okay, she's not $400, but there's this Chiaki one where she's floating in the air above a little Monokuma, if you know Danganronpa at all.
A little bit.
It is, I love that figure, I've been looking for it for years.
That's cool. They just had a photo shoot, didn't they? Or is that tomorrow?
I'm not sure.
I think it's close. And then, what was the other thing? Oh, what is it you like about Techo? Is this your first Techo?
I've been going for 5 years.
Okay, I'm at 4 years. Cool.
Nice.
So what is it about Techo you like so much?
I love Techo because, well, the shopping, I love getting merch of all my favorite characters.
Yeah.
And then just like hanging out with my friends, just, you know, talking, leading people to stuff, and just, you know, the fun. It's just the fun, the social aspect.
That's what I like.
Don't get to do this much.
Exactly. I think, like, this is the way the world should be. Like, everybody is cool with, like, whatever they like.
Yeah.
And, like, you just talk to people. And you just go up to people and you're like, that is awesome. Tell me about that.
Yeah.
And, like, you learn. And, like, everybody that I talk to at Techo is, like, super chill. Like,
I know,
super chill. It's like,
they're
why
all
aren't we like this all the time?
Sweetest people I've
Right?
ever met here.
Yeah.
Like, anybody who's listening, come to Techo. That's all I'll say.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, you bet.